a new button just below the power button on iPhone 16 series model, and here's all about. Quick guide helps into use of this button effectively. Yes, that's camera control button. Using this button, we can do all the camera stuff without touch the screen. We can quickly open the camera with a single press down of the button on the landscape and portrait screens. One more press captures the photo without moving your finger. Like this. To start video recording, hold on the button to start video mode and record the video. The tactile switch with the force sensor auto-manages your click and swipe gestures with responsive haptic feedback. Then use zoom in and out with just a simple swipe while in the camera app. Press lightly twice on the button for other controls. Swipe on the button to switch between all camera controls, such as exposure, depth, filter, and more. Double tap to customize the control option. This camera control button also supports apps like Snapchat for now. I hope button for camera will support other third-party apps like Instagram, Facebook app. Comment below for more suggestions. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future tips and tricks. See you in the next one.